I'm going to take a closer look at the Panorama Gaming PC, which comes equipped with an RTX 4090 graphics card and an i9-14900KS CPU. If you're interested in exploring this pre-built gaming desktop for yourself and grabbing it at an amazing price, be sure to check the links below the video. Ready to elevate your gaming and content creation to the next level? Introducing the Panorama Gaming PC from Empowered PC, your ultimate power pack solution for top-tier performance and stunning visuals. Picture this. The Panorama Gaming PC is equipped with a cutting-edge Intel Core i9-14900KS processor, boasting 24 cores and 32 threads, and a turbo boost clock speed of up to 6.2 gigahertz. This means you'll experience blazing fast performance whether you're diving into the latest games or handling intensive content creation tasks. With 192 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Switch between gaming, streaming, and editing without a hitch. The heart of this powerhouse is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, featuring 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory. It delivers unrivaled graphics quality and performance, making it perfect for playing games at ultra settings with 100 plus FPS or enjoying VR experiences with breathtaking realism. Plus, the 4TB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and data transfer speeds, while the 12TB HDD provides ample storage for all your files. The Panorama also stands out with its stunning design. Enclosed in a sleek tempered glass case, it offers a panoramic view of its mesmerizing interior, highlighted by 10 ARGB fans that not only look spectacular, but also ensure optimal airflow and cooling. The clean cable management system enhances both aesthetics and functionality, making future upgrades easy and efficient. While the Panorama Gaming PC is a powerhouse, it's worth noting that its high-performance components do come at a premium price. However, the investment is well worth it for those seeking the best in gaming and content creation. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line gaming rig. Check out the links in the description below to grab the Panorama Gaming PC at a great price and experience elite performance like never before. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.